Fenugreek is a miracle medicine.
Sprouted fenugreek or methi as it's known, these seeds are fantastic blood cleansers, good source of protein and vitamins and minerals, very good for lactating mothers, great for hair and nail growth, reduces blood pressure, brings down blood sugar level, lower inflammation. These sprouted fenugreek or methi along with sprouted green gram or moong is very, very good for cognitive health. Those who are over 50 years of age must consume this on a daily basis, otherwise you may not realize, slowly you will lose it.
Fenugreek is a miracle medicine. If you use fenugreek properly, it can be used for so many ailments. You take some fenugreek, boil it, and the decoction that comes out of it, you mix honey with it, and you can drink it. A lot of people drink it like coffee, but you need special kind of taste buds, or you need tremendous acceptance. It doesn't taste too good, but it's very, very healthy. If you can't drink daily, maybe once a week, once a month, drinking fenugreek decoction can do many wonders to your digestive system. Your heart, your liver can be cleansed. It's a great cleansing agent.
Now we will guide you how to prepare fenugreek drink suggested by Sadhguru to consume for detox. It's very easy to make and it can be prepared in just few minutes. Ingredients required: 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, and honey 1 tablespoon. To make the fenugreek detox drink, first take 1 glass of water into saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek or methi seeds. Boil this for few minutes. You will see the color of water will change in few minutes. Now strain this decoction into a glass or cup. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir it well. Your fenugreek detox drink is ready to be consumed. The boiled fenugreek seeds can be used in salads or can even simply be eaten. They are also very, very healthy. Remember, you need to chew it well. From digestive support to heart and liver health, cleansing blood and cognitive health, fenugreek has many benefits. Harness fenugreek's healing potential into your daily life. You can also eat sprouted fenugreek, which is important for cellular cleansing in the body. To do so, soak it for a long duration of time and then strain it and let it sprout. This sprouted methi can be eaten in morning breakfast, or you can even make it a part of your salads. Note that you must chew this sprouted fenugreek well so that it becomes like a paste in your mouth and then swallow it. Fenugreek is a unique herb that has various benefits. It's time to make it a part of your diet.